Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little interesting. We're going to a new drag strip that we've never gone to before. It just recently opened up here. It's only about 10 minutes past the outside of the city. So we're actually just going to drive the car over there. Let's hop in the car, drive to the track, and do a little racing.
Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. Riley and I are ready to go to MPR Raceway, a brand new track that's opened up at a local airport here right by us. So we're gonna go check them out today. Riley's pretty excited. We're taking his car and we're taking my car. So 8th mile. Riley borrowed the drag radials off the shit horse here, so he should have no problem with traction. And yeah, I got the 28-10-5s, should be no problem. So yeah, grab a bite to eat here and hop in the cars and drive on down there. Who showed up a little late to the game.
How am I late?
No, you're not late. All right, so we got Riley's car, my car, and the Nova.
We're here at MPR, newest drag strip in Manitoba. You can see there's the cars, Riley's, Clayton's, etc. We're gonna walk over to the starting line and take a look. And there's a farmer's field right here. Clayton is so excited to go check out the track that he's just took off. He couldn't even wait for a second. Is this wet right here? I get my shoes dirty.
Well, why didn't you just go around?
I don't know, because it takes longer to walk. Gee, you're in a rush, eh? God damn it. Waiting for racing to start, and then we'll set the GoPros up in the cars and make some passes.
We're ready to go. My trans brake is not working and now it's stuck in reverse.
Alright, so Riley made one pass, virgin pass. He went at 8.8 in the 8th, and what are we doing? We tickled the rev limiter first to start.
Yeah, so drop that 50 RPM, otherwise it felt good.
And I made one hit there, went 580. So pretty good for first hit, so I think Riley's going to go up for one more. Rob is over there working on some trans brake issues. He'll get that sorted out one way or the other. So, well, let's go up and make a pass.
Alright guys, we're going to try this again. I'm having trans brake issues, which I think I've ruled out to be the wire that comes out of the Mega Squirt just there's something wrong with that one output. So I switched to a different output, and we're gonna go try this finally. New track, never raced here obviously because it's a new track. So, and we can watch Kevin Foy. There he goes. He's just oiling the tires off. Bad. .638 at 106. It's pretty good. It's like a 10.0. I'll handle that for the first pass. It was a little hotter than I would have liked.
Riley's up for another pass here. He's actually racing the guy he goes to school with. Alright, Rob's on pass number 3.
60 foot, 1/8 to 60 foot.
Throwing the kitchen sink at it. Alright, Riley. Going up for your last pass of the day.
So far, best has been 8:45.
Which is about a 13 watt or so on the quarter. just getting home. Both cars running, driving. Didn't set any records today. Well, you did. You set a personal
My
best.
records.
Me, not so much, but had some fun. Didn't break anything.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was lots of fun.
You-
And 9 passes.
9 total?
Yeah,
That's good money's worth.
improving most of them.
Yeah. You like the sport or fuck it?
I like it.
Yeah. That's good. So, yeah, I don't know. What are we gonna do? We'll do some cruising today? I might just jump in with you because I'm sweaty, tired. Kind of a long day in the sun, but thanks to Sheldon and Cheryl from MPR for giving us another playground in the province. So definitely going to be back. And yeah, if you're local, definitely go check it out.